Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marte. I come from Norway and I love makeup, and today I will finally be showing you guys the new single shadows from Glam Shop, because again they have come out with 5 new shadows and it is the ones on the top here. I just have them in this palette with my Lethal Cosmetics mattes, and then I bought 2 more singles, Armorial and Salsa I think they're called, but these 5 are the ones I'm going to be showing you guys. I did a look with each one of them, but I will only do one tutorial, which is the one I'm wearing right now. For the others I do have a video of the eye look, apart from one where I forgot it, so I only have photos of that one. But anyway, you will get to see all of these both swatched out and on my lids, so let's get started. So basically these are the new Pearly eyeshadows from Glam Shop, and I will zoom in so you can see a little bit better. So here you can see them. There is this taupe shade called 100% Glam, and that is one of my favorites actually. It has just so many multicolored beautiful sparkles, and this one I think is called Thailors. I don't really know what that means, but it's one of those pink, golden and slightly green shadows. Then the next one here is another one of my favorites. It's Antidote, and it's basically, how do I even explain it? It's like a warm base, and it has, you can see a little bit of that purple and blue shift, but also a lot of green, and it's quite lime green when you see that shift, and a lot more intense when you wear it compared to how you just see it in the pan. But I think you can get an idea of all of the colors in it just based on how you can see it right now. The next one here is called More, and that is a beautiful cool toned pink, blue, purple shade. I think it's so beautiful. And the last one is the shade Phoenix, which is the one on top here, which is also the one I was wearing in the intro. And this one is super shifty. It's blue, green, purple, and just so stunning. Now I'm going to show you the swatches of these beautiful shadows. Now I'm only missing this shade because I've done a look with all of the other ones, so I'm going to show you a picture of the one I did with More, and then all the others I remember to do a short video of the eye look, so I will show you that after I do the tutorial with this shadow. So I'm going to try to match like my I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm wearing like this beautiful dress with orange, and this I think would look better with basically the kind of colors that I have here from Lethal Cosmetics, but I'm going to try to do it a little bit more warm, so we'll just see how it layers. And I do actually want to challenge myself a little bit more in the next, I don't know, months, to actually pair colors that maybe wouldn't normally go together, or at least like layer them. But that is the plan for this look. So I'm going to use this one, and since I already put this bright matte light shade here, I was thinking maybe I would continue because this shade is so beautiful and I can deepen it up with the brown down here. So I think that's what I'm going for, but I will show you if I go into any other palettes. This one is the Nugatova palette, by the way, from Glam Shop. Now for the brush I'm using, it's my Glaminatrix E01 brush. I think this is such a beautiful bundle that they have with these brushes. I use them so much. You can already see that my eye primer is creasing. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this. I'm wondering if I should do it all over the lid or if I should go into the mustard more closer to the inner corner. I'm dipping into the mustard shade now, by the way. And these are quite lightly pigmented. Very like daily eye makeup palette. I feel like the lighting is a little bit too bright because I'm testing out this new light that I got from my grandfather because he passed away sadly, and then we got to pick out some things that we wanted from him, and that is one of the things that I got. It's like a working light, honestly, but it's a LED light so it doesn't get warm or anything, so I just figured I might get some use of it for my filming, so that's what I'm trying. Now I'm taking my 0104 brush from Glam Shop, and I'm taking more of that orange shade, and I was thinking I'd just blow the lower lash line out a bit, and I was thinking I would do this shade and then the mustard one underneath. So maybe for the mustard shade I will use my E04 brush. So I'm just picking that up here, and although I want this to be very smoked out, I'm trying to be a little bit careful so I don't go way overboard. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of that deepest shade because I do want this look to be a little bit more smoky. So I'm using my 0122 brush from Glam Shop, and I did pick up quite a lot, so I have to be careful now because I already did my skin makeup. So I'm trying to tilt my head quite a bit, and then I'm going to pat this shade down. Now I think I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. I got a lot more depth to the eye look with that brown shade, which I really wanted. So I think I'm ready for the shimmer. Now I'm putting on a little bit of glam glue because I usually find that really intensifies the shadows from Glam Shop. And also some of these shades are a little bit more on the flaky side. Not that they won't smooth out or anything, but I just feel like that helps them bring out, or it helps just bring out all the shine of the shadow. Wow. Oh my god. Imagine this one over like a purple or a green. I think that would look so insanely beautiful. And this one is one of the most shifty shades I feel like from the bunch, because this one has both blue and teal and a little bit of green and purple. It's really beautiful. Now I'll get rid of the tiny fallout or whatever it is I have here. I'll probably tightline my upper lash line, and I think I might just go for something very white or bright matte for the inner corner. And I'll find a matching lipstick and show you the finished look, which you already have seen in the intro of this video. So there we got to see all of the different shadows that I was wearing, and I think they're all really beautiful. My favorites are, as I said in the beginning of the video, I mean all of them apart from Thaler's. I think that's a bit of a boring shade, but it's still very pretty. It's just that I have another one, I think it's called Enigma, or I think it might have changed the name because the translation sometimes get changed with Glam Shop, but they have another one which is much more pink yellow duochrome, which I just prefer, but I do think all of these are very lovely. I'm curious to hear what you have to say about these shadows. Did you pick them up already, or are you interested in them? I did actually see that Glam Shop earlier this morning was having a 40% sale on shimmers. I don't know if these are also included in that sale, but I would guess so. So definitely wait for a sale if you want to get these, and again, they might be on sale right now. I do hope that this video was helpful in showing you how these shadows look, and I'm very happy about these shadows. I'm glad I purchased them, and I would love to hear what you think about them. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!